Welcome to Tutorial Lore. If you're looking to sell handmade products on Shopify, we'll explain how to set up your store, list products, and manage sales effectively. To begin, go to Shopify and sign up for an account. Shopify offers a free trial, so you can explore its features before selecting a plan. After signing up, enter your store name, email, and business details to complete the initial setup. Once your account is created, you'll have access to the Shopify dashboard, where you can manage your store. Next, we'll explain how to design your store. In the online store section, you can choose a theme from Shopify's free or paid options. After selecting a theme, you can customize the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand's identity. Uploading logos, banners, and product images will enhance your store's appearance. Adding handmade products is done in the Products tab. Clicking Add Product opens a form where you can upload images, write descriptions, set pricing, and manage inventory. High-quality images showing different angles of your product will help attract buyers. Be sure to include a clear description that highlights materials, features, and any customization options. You can also use tags and collections to organize your products for easier browsing. We'll explain how to set up payments next. In the Settings section, the Payments tab allows you to enable Shopify payments, PayPal, or credit card gateways. Choose the preferred payment methods and set up payout details to receive your earnings. Shipping options are configured in the shipping and delivery settings. You can define shipping zones, set rates, and offer free or flat rate shipping. Clearly stating estimated delivery times and return policies will help customers understand what to expect. Marketing is key to attracting customers. Shopify provides built-in SEO tools to optimize product listings. In the Marketing section, you can create email campaigns, run promotions, and integrate your store with social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Discounts can be added in the Discounts tab to encourage sales. Once everything is set up, your store is ready to launch. Orders can be managed from the Orders tab, where you'll track purchases, payment statuses, and customer details. Shopify also provides analytics to monitor sales and customer behavior, helping you make informed decisions to grow your business. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.